seems that there is a significant controversy surrounding the alleged attack of Ukrainian USV and the Russian Reconnaissance ship Khurs in the Black Sea. Both Ukrainian and Russian defense ministries have made conflicting claims about this incident. Ukraine's defense ministry released a video suggesting a close encounter between the USV and the Russian vessel. This challenges Russia's claim of thwarting all attacks before any of the three naval drones could reach the Khurs. The video released by Ukraine, if legitimate, indicates that their USVs were able to evade the Russian defenses and get very close to the Khurs. This suggests that Ukraine's naval drones could potentially pose a serious threat to naval operations in the region. Despite the close encounter, there is no evidence in the video that the USV caused any damage to the Khurs. The video cuts off before any explosion or destruction can be seen, suggesting that the drone might not have carried out a successful attack or was neutralized before it could cause damage. This incident underscores the growing importance of unmanned systems in modern warfare. This incident clearly demonstrates the evolving dynamics of naval warfare and the significant role unmanned systems are beginning to play.